Welcome everyone. Today I want to talk about how you can earn money through affiliate marketing on Instagram. With over 2.4 billion monthly users, imagine turning your followers into sources of income. Standing out on Instagram is challenging, with numerous creators converting followers into buyers feels almost impossible. Don't worry, there's a way to navigate this crowded space. Affiliate marketing is a great opportunity. Here's how it works. You promote a product and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. The key to choose the right product and align you with your niche resonate with your audience. Success in affiliate marketing on Instagram relies on several key strategies. Number 1, create compelling and valuable content. 2, cultivate and dedicate following through authenticity. Number 3, utilize influencers to broaden your reach. Following these steps can significantly increase your affiliate earnings. Remember, affiliate marketing on Instagram has significant earning potential. Consistency and authenticity in your content are crucial for your success. Hey, come check out my other videos on monopolizing social media platforms and share your affiliate marketing experience in the comments below. Let's grow together. This is Scott. Peace out.